Hello, today I'm going to introduce you our latest MEMS accelerometer, Palert Plus. And before we start, here's the outline of this video. Spec, feature, accessories, housing, pin configuration, installation, and operation. Palert Plus is a triaxial MEMS accelerometer with an optional fourth axial vertical geophone, built in or externally. Let's talk about the spec. ADC, dynamic range, measuring range, noise density, power consumption, and waterproof. Palert Plus is an advanced seismometer. In addition to the first generation of Palert, it also has function of Rapid Structural Health Diagnosing after an earthquake. So now let's open it and check out all the parts shown in this image. You'll see a Palert Plus, 2 Allen keys, a set of anchor screw, 3 connectors, and a set of universal power adapter. Let's talk about the housing of Palert Plus. Here we have an LCD display, function button, leveling bubble, pressure screw, sensor socket, auxiliary socket, power socket, and network socket. Here's an image of the pin configuration. You may follow this configuration for wiring. Sensor socket, auxiliary socket, power port, and network socket. Now we move on to installation. First is the orientation setting. Palert Plus provides installation types, ground and wall. The default setting is ground. If you want to install the instrument on the wall, just switch the installation in the configuration file. Second, leveling. Please use the 3 leveling screws to center the bubble. Please refer to How to Set Up Palert Plus video for more information. Here we are, moving on to the operation of Palert Plus. Palert Plus will power on after you plug in the power socket. The LCD monitor will display booting after the power is on. There's only one button to operate Palert Plus. Each function will be triggered based on the seconds you press. You can see the functions and the corresponding seconds on this list. Press the button for 1 second, the IP address will be displayed. 2 seconds, NTP reload. 3 seconds, cancel. Press the button for 4 seconds, you will be able to reload any change. Here's a friendly reminder. Please remember to reload the system after making changes. 5 seconds, display software version. 6 seconds, soft reload. 7 seconds, update software via FTP. 8 seconds, continuous recording. 9 seconds, entering testing mode. 10 seconds, backup software. To turn off the device, please press the button for 12 seconds. Please remove the external power supply to turn off the device thoroughly. And finally, your Palert Plus is ready for monitoring. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.